Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Now, Android phones have been around for a long time. However, most people find it hard to keep up with all the new features and settings that it has to offer. In this video, I'll be showing you some quick tips and tricks that can improve your general experience using your phone. So, with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is enable developer options. Usually they are hidden by default. To make them visible, you need to go to your phone settings, go to About Phone, and once you're there, what you'll be looking for is build number. Tap on it a couple of times and it will indicate that you're a few steps from being a developer. Once you've turned on developer options, it will now be visible in your settings menu. Quick disclaimer, these are very sensitive settings, so I strongly advise that you don't mess with anything that you don't understand or that you're not sure about. With that out of the way, you need to scroll until you see Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. You can lower them to the lowest value, which is 0.5, or turn them off completely, but I would suggest you just keep them at 0.5. When navigating through the interface, you'll notice that your phone will feel more fast and very snappy when navigating through new windows or switching between apps. Have you ever found yourself searching for something online and then a few minutes later when you're done, you start getting advertisements about the exact same thing you're searching for? Well, that's actually a feature called personalized ads, and I'm sure a lot of people like me are not comfortable with it, and you can easily turn it off. First thing you need to do is go to your settings menu, go to Google, click on ads, and then choose to opt out. Whenever you're watching a YouTube video in bed or in a dark place, the white menu on the YouTube app can really exhaust your eyes and make you strain. To avoid this, you should turn on the YouTube dark mode. To turn it on, just click on your profile photo on the top right corner of the YouTube app, go to Settings, General, and then choose to enable the dark theme feature. While still on this tab, you can change your location, and this in turn will update your Explore page with what's trending in the place where you select. From the General tab, just go to Location and choose the region which you prefer. You can easily share your phone with your friends and family without worrying about them snooping into other areas of your device. This can be done easily through screen pinning. This prevents others from accessing features outside the pinned app. When an app is pinned, features such as calling and messaging are also blocked. To turn this feature on, you need to go to Settings and then select Biometrics and Security, Other Security Settings, and then the Pin Windows option will be down. You can just turn it on and off and click on the other end to edit the pin options. There's this cool feature that is often underrated or underused by most Android users I know, and that is the ability to easily navigate between your two most recent apps. All you need to do is double tap your recent apps button and you can easily go through your two recent apps. This point is a little short, so I'll double up with a 2-for-1 for number 5. If you just talked to someone and want to call them again, all you need to do is double tap on your dialer. This will automatically call the last person you talked to. If you liked the video or found it useful, just make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below for future content. I'll also be making a follow-up video to this one, so stay tuned for that. That's all for me. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.